In the pursuit of the ultimate temperature control journey, HON Technology Group to streamline wisdom and sincerity, careful to finish as the core spirit, deep in the field of central air conditioning, ingenuity to create every masterpiece of air conditioning. Our production workshop brings together top equipment and huge scale, professional and technical personnel with superb skills, tailor-made for you efficient, energy-saving, comfortable air conditioning solutions, so that every leap of science and technology accurately control every warmth and cool life. After the Mid-Autumn Festival, in the HON Air Conditioning Technology Industrial Park, HON Technology Glory set off to 17.5 meters giant and a 13.7 meters elite team, loaded with 21 cutting-edge low-temperature heat pumps and 3 precision combination purification units to one run. Longzhi Pharmaceutical Company, delivery is only the warm starting point of our service. We know that high-quality products need thoughtful service to escort. Therefore, HON Technology promises to provide a full range of all-weather after-sales service to ensure the stable operation of equipment and respond to customer needs at any time, so that every collaboration will become the cornerstone of long-term trust. Standing out in the fierce competition, HON Technology, with its profound technical heritage and excellent service system, won the first place from the top 6, and won the trust and choice of one-run Longzhi Pharmaceutical Company. This is not only the affirmation of our past efforts, but also the expectation of working together to create brilliant future. In the future, HON Technology will continue to take science and technology as the wing, wisdom leading the air conditioning industry to bring more intelligent, green, healthy and comfortable experience for your living space. HON Technology, looking forward to working with you.